we thought it wise, through the knowledge of His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, who has challenged the leadership to be forthright in their fight against Al-Shabaab. We thought it wise to engage our neighboring country, Somalia, so that we can be able to attend to the issues of insecurity which is affecting our common boundary. That has been our main mission, and into the future, we will go around into the region so that we can be able to address the issues of Al-Shabaab with our communities, our professions, and our leadership in the entire province. That is our message we have. If you have been told earlier that we have been arrested, none of us was arrested.
The reason why we went to Somalia, and I want to make it extremely clear that we met with only one person, and that is the President of the Federal Government of Somalia, in person, because we thought we will upscale this issue to the highest level. Why we did that is because Al-Shabaab's foundation and home is in Somalia. They are the ones who have made us suffer this magnitude. We met with His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, our president, and he challenged us as well, saying, go back to your people, go and knock every door, and please help in bolstering security.
What was of concern to us as government is that members of parliament can leave the country without proper clearance and for a mission which is unclear to the government. That in itself tells you that the mission is unusual. So the matters will come as we engage with them. We've just welcomed them back to the country. So other issues will follow.